going. What's up, pretty boy gang? It's your girl Chelsea Aaron, and in this video we are going to be carving a pumpkin for Halloween.
Ooh.
We have a very special guest, my best friend.
What's going
Dom
on,
B.
y'all?
Say hello to the people.
Hey, what's going on?
Dom, what's your favorite thing about Halloween?
Ooh, my favorite thing about Halloween, it was always candy for me.
It's candy.
Candy.
It was the sweets.
Sweet stuff. Woo.
And do you like pumpkins?
No, I actually hate pumpkins.
Okay. Well, you can take that hate out on this pumpkin that we are going to be carving today.
I got you. Give me that knife. I got you. Go ahead.
Alright, so let's get started. So, the first step to carving your pumpkin, you're gonna wanna have a pen.
Okay.
Okay.
Is that a ballpoint pen or is that like a...
This is a gel pen. It's a G2.
Pen. What's the
and
difference?
hopefully it shows up on the pumpkin.
What's
These are really expensive, and
Word.
it's something that I started using in high school and just never stopped.
Honestly, I don't think I've ever bought a pen in my life.
I bought a pack of pens.
I never buy pens. I just steal them.
Well,
I think that's what everyone does. They just steal pens and then magically just appear. I have never.
You can't have this one. This is my pen. Okay, so things that you're gonna need. You're gonna need your pumpkin, right?
Okay.
Check that off. You're gonna need a bowl.
Okay.
To like cut all the guts out and put it in.
Okay, the guts. Okay.
The guts of the pumpkin.
Great.
You're gonna need a sharp knife, probably a large one and also a smaller
Can you stop
one.
shaking them knives in my face? It's kind of okay.
You're gonna need a spoon to cut the guts out.
Okay.
In addition to this pen. So, the
right.
first thing that we're gonna do is, I'm gonna show it to you so that you can follow along with us. We're going to cut open the pumpkin at the top. So we're gonna just draw a nice little line around the head of the pumpkin. Now this will be our lid, and so once we cut into this, we can go ahead and get the guts out. Dom, would you do the honors of cutting that line that I just drew?
Sure.
With this knife or this knife, you pick. Want the small knife or the big one?
I'm gonna take the small one first. You know,
Okay. And just a heads up, when you cut into a pumpkin, you want to do it in a rocking motion so that you can use the
So
force.
I had never cut a pumpkin before, so if y'all, it's just.
Hopefully there will be no emergency room visits tonight.
There might be. I don't know if I can do this. Rocking. So, what's that song?
You gotta get it in there.
I'm getting. It's all in there. Don't worry. Why are you drinking wine and I'm here struggling?
You have to cut around it, Dom.
I'm going around, and I feel like it's gonna stab me in the face. I think we should go away from the.
Yeah.
Hold on, guys. Let me go this way, because that way, that's smart. That's smart. I don't think this knife is big enough for this.
This is the one you selected.
I'm going to the. Okay, this is not. Ooh, actually, I got this. Ooh. Lean with it, rock with it, lean with it, rock with it, lean with it, rock with it, snap with it. My ladies.
Wait, that's a different song.
Is it? Oh, shit. That was not the right word. Sorry, guys.
Tom, you were really struggling.
Can you do? Look, I'm trying. This is hard. I'm halfway through it though. I'm almost there. This is the last little bit. You didn't want to do this.
I'm nervous for you.
I'm nervous for myself too. And this is like all right.
I'm gonna go get some sweet potato fries. Okay, that was step one. Cutting the top.
That was it? That was.
We've gotten step one. Okay, we've cut out the top.
Okay.
Go ahead, show them what it looks like. And now we have a open hole into the pumpkin.
Okay.
This is the step in which we take our spoon,
What we should have got with napkins as well.
We take our spoon.
Yeah.
Let me show you guys.
Okay.
And what you're gonna do is you're just gonna go around the pumpkin with your spoon, real easy. Oh my god, this thing is huge.
Word.
And you're gonna take this and you're just gonna put it in this bowl so that you can save your pumpkin seeds.
Okay.
Also just do it with your hands. This is the fun part.
I brought a ladle.
That, kids
I brought the ladle for you to help scoop it out, but
I remember doing this when I was a kid, once or twice.
Yeah. Oh, really?
But I haven't done it in my adulthood, so here we are.
See, the only problem.
Woo!
Only problem with these
Yes.
pumpkins is if it rots, it's gonna start smelling and it sucks, but it looks nice.
So you gotta get all the guts out.
Can you just eat this like raw?
Try it. Tell us how you like it.
Honestly,
Depending on the size of your pumpkin. But you want all the guts out so that one, it's easier to carve into, just because there'll be less layers to get through. And two, if you clean it out really well, it'll preserve longer.
Okay.
So make sure that you try to clean it out as best as you can. You see this? Nice and cleaned out. So we've cut the top, step 1, clean out the pumpkin, step 2. Now we're on to step 3, which is the fun step. It's when we get to stencil our face on the pumpkin.
I got it. Let me do it.
With
I'm an artist.
pen.
I'm an artist.
Dom is gonna tap in for this
I'm
part.
gonna tap. So
And
guys,
while I go get some sweet potato. I'm gonna get
when I was a boy, a young lad, I actually wanted to be an artist. Okay, if my parents are watching this now, just know you crushed my dreams to be an artist. Anyway, so
Hey, so our pen wasn't working. We got a new pen. It's working. Now it's time to hand it back to Dom so that he can finish his masterpiece and show his parents that he could have been a great, a phenomenal, a barrier-breaking artist.
I could have been.
Oh, for sure. Okay, don't ever try a pen. Just get you a permanent marker. Oh, God.
Should work a little bit at least better.
Is that the nose?
Yeah.
All right, so permanent marker this thing. This is a pretty
She's
scary
doing it.
pumpkin.
She's doing it now.
Sorry, Dom.
Dad, you're right.
All right, can I have that?
Yeah, go ahead.
All right, you can draw the mouth.
Okay.
See, it'll be a team effort.
Perfect.
All right, so first we got some eyes going.
I don't know if you can see it with all the light, but sort of.
Kinda.
Sort of.
Oh, that's too heavy.
It's okay.
Put that down. All right, Dom's gonna draw the mouth, and he's gonna try to make it look scary. You gotta draw
What's a scary mouth
teeth
look?
and stuff in
It's
it.
like a. Give me your Potsmart look. The grr. Go ahead.
Grr.
There. Okay. Perfect. I'm gonna copy that. That's scary.
Grr.
Okay. Oh God. Oh God.
She liked the way I. Grr.
All right. So we're gonna do the whole like. Ooh. Oh. Okay. If it wants to.
Let's just dry it out.
I don't know.
This is.
Hey guys, this is not. It was not in the instructions. It made it look so much easier.
All right.
Okay, so we're just gonna eyeball it.
We're just gonna eyeball it. We're gonna eyeball it.
Yeah,
If you can't draw on your pumpkin, what you're gonna have to do is just eyeball it. All right, I'm gonna start cutting into this.
Okay, get the eyes. She's gonna give me the mouth, the part that is undrawable, so that when it comes out poorly, or if it comes out poorly, she'll be like, "Oh, it's on
Come out
down."
great. And also, I think this is a small one.
Yeah, that might work. Please.
All right, so hold this down really tightly, and you can also just put it on more of the flat part of the pumpkin, and then you're just gonna do that rocking motion that I was talking about earlier. So
She's a pro, guys.
rock that. Be careful if you're a child. Always have a parent or guardian watching.
Or maybe
If you're an adult, don't do this under the influence, and we'll be safe.
Oh.
We're gonna be safe. Woo! Look at that. Clean cut, baby. Clean cut. That is the eye of our pumpkin.
Amazing.
Try the next eye. Let's go.
Fantastic.
So again, hold your pumpkin down. Rock that motion. Rock the boat, shake the middle, work the middle. Whoever can name that song in the comments, I will PayPal them $2.
Oh, whoa, is that serious?
Not you. You don't count.
Oh.
I'm talking about viewers.
Oh, damn.
Sorry, Dom. Rock the boat. Okay, I'm gonna give you another. Work the middle. Work it, baby. One of my most favorite artists.
Please someone get her.
So now you see we have 2 eyes and a nose. Dom, over to you.
So the hardest part of the process.
I would say do it this way and like hold it down.
I don't even know how this is gonna come out. All right, let's see, guys. I'll use the small knife. Where's the small knife at?
Over here.
Fantastic. All right, guys. So I went to school for engineering. I did not actually. So we're gonna do this the most efficient way possible without spilling my drink. All right. So take this utensil.
I love how you're speaking with authority.
We're gonna go ahead and just stick it right in. Right in. And my cat's meowing. I don't know if y'all can hear that. So we're gonna rock this part to make the little smiley face. Okay? So if you rock this part right here, she's gonna rock it.
I just don't need my face near your knife. Like, I just don't trust you.
I don't trust myself either. I don't think anybody trusts me with a knife.
All right, I'll hold this so that it's just more stable for you. See, it's good to have teamwork. Teamwork makes the dream work. And our dream is to have a beautiful pumpkin jack-o'-lantern by Halloween.
I don't think it's gonna come out beautiful because I don't really have a idea of what I want in mind. So maybe if I did like how would I make the teeth, guys? So if I do like a downward stroke on one, I know what I'm about to do. We're gonna make this guy into, he's gonna be the Joker. That's what he's gonna be. That's what he is, he's the Joker! So, just like, thank God, guys, I can breathe.
All right, so after you cut your pumpkin, you should have something like this if you eyeball it like us. There's our pumpkin. What's his name?
Philip.
At the end of this, we're gonna take Philip.
Yep.
We're gonna take his little hat, scrape off the guts on the hat.
Amazing.
So that he's nice and clean. I'm just gonna
That's not gonna, you gotta cut that part off. Just cut it off.
You can just cut it off too. It's just easier.
You know what we don't have though?
What?
Is the candle.
Do you have a candle? I have a little.
I don't really have a candle, but I can check. Let me go ahead and check to see if I have a candle. I don't know what to tell you. Okay.
Okay.
All right.
I found a battery. So you take it, and then you put it in your jack-o'-lantern, and you close the lid. So now let's do our finishing reveal. Let's turn off the lights.
All right. Turn off the lights. Boom, boom, boom. Boom. Light number 1 gone. And light number 2 gone. Ooh, that looks amazing, actually. Wow. That looks super dope with this.
There's our jack-o'-lantern.
Hey. I love it.
I love it too. It's so cute.
It looks really cool.
I love that.
Teamwork makes the dream work.
All right.
So let's go ahead.
On.
Okay.
All right, guys. So that concludes our video of our pumpkin carving for Halloween. Yep. We're gonna make sure that this stays nice and fresh for Halloween because it's only a couple days away. So it's very easy, very simple. You saw us, we're amateurs. And we did something really cool at the end.
I had a good time.
So yeah. Hope you enjoyed this video. Dom, what are your thoughts?
I mean, I know we're gonna roast these pumpkin seeds. We have a lot of guts left over.
Yes.
And I don't like pumpkins, but pumpkin seeds might be good. Which still, that's right. But yeah, that's fun.
Maybe we'll make a video
of us roasting pumpkin seeds.
Of us roasting our pumpkin seeds in our Ninja Foodie. That sounds good to me.
Yeah, I think so too.
Okay, for watching our video. We hope you enjoyed it. Very easy steps to carve a pumpkin. Anyone can do it. If you're young, make sure that you have a parent's supervision. If you're old, make sure that you are not under the influence. Thank you, Dom, for joining us in front of the camera this time.
I love it.
If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We're gonna make a new video about the pumpkin seeds that we have. So we're gonna roast that and post that up soon. So until next time, you can follow us on Instagram at Chelsea Aaron. Stay healthy, stay pretty, stay smart. Pretty boy.
Happy Halloween!
Happy Halloween.